I remember one day I brought a girl to my house and we were just sitting, relaxing. And all of a sudden, a very big car passed, and I mean a big bus, because sometimes there are big buses which pass here. I'll show you. And when it passed, the bed shook, and she was like, "Whoa, what's up?" And actually, you know what that means? Like, she thought it was like earthquake. Yeah.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia!
All I need is you, baby, baby.
What's up, guys? My name is Mara. I'm right here in a very small area in the big city of Bogota called Chapinero. But this is not the Chapinero of the, like the rich part. We have the two sides of Chapinero. We have Chapinero Alto, which is right, you see, right behind me there's something like a mountain showing up that way, Yeah, or I could just turn the camera, you see, that way, right there, you see that white thing? So that's Chapinero Alto. That's where like rich people live and new houses. But where I'm walking is the other Chapinero, where it's old buildings and it's less expensive. And I want to show you where I used to live, and I used to upload my videos from, right? So these are streets which I used to walk every day, There's a beautiful Afro girl right there. I don't know if you can. Oh. So I stayed here for nearly 1 year. I used to walk this street every day to work and from work. I used to print my stuffs right here. Right there, you see right there? They've said Netflix and stuff and photocopy. And I used to buy my fruits right here in this shop. Yeah. It looks like things have changed by the same shop right there. See, oh, I could walk this way, you see. I used to buy my fruits right here. Right here, I used to buy my fruits right here. Right there. And I used to stay here. They used to make my hair. I used to shave their hair, Yeah. And I want to show you where I used to live, because I'm now in my neighborhood. Actually, I used to pay less than $100. Let me see, 400. I used to pay like $110. Yeah. My favorite pizza was here. Right here, but you see now the place is on sale, so si vende. Yeah, that means the place is on sale, so maybe they never operate anymore. But also, this is where I used to live. This old building, let me show you. That old building right there. That's where I used to live, right there, for 1 year. And I used to shop in this shop every day. I hope the guy still operates. I wish I can get the keys, but you see the window right there? That used to be my window. And I should tell you a story. Sometimes, when this is a road right here, let me show you. You see and you see those buses over there? That bus. Actually, they are bigger buses, and when they used to pass, my bed would shake because my bed was right in that window, right there, that window right there. So my bed would shake, and I remember one day I brought a girl to my house, and we were just sitting, you know, relaxing, and all of a sudden, a very big car passed, and I mean a big bus, because sometimes there are big buses which pass here. I'll show you. And when it passed, the bed shook, and she was like, "Whoa, what's up?" And actually, you know what that means? Like, she thought it was like how do you call this thing? Seismic waves, earthquake. Yeah, she thought it was earthquake. So I want to meet my friends here and see if I can say hello to them. But that house reminds me a lot, actually, a lot of my life. You see, right there, I'll go close and show you, but that's where I used to live. So right here are my friends. Oh, one just called me because he knows me. Hey, hombre, ¿qué pasó?
¿Qué está haciendo, mi hijo?
¿Tú recuérdame?
Claro.
Oh man, yeah. So
¿Qué está haciendo?
he still remembers me. He's asking me what I'm doing. Sí, he's asking me what I'm doing. Estoy grabando aquí una poco.
Le ponga atención.
Oh, okay. Let me see others right here. This is their shop. Hey, ¿qué pasó? Oh. De regreso, poco como Jesús.
¿Cómo Jesús?
Poco.
Poco.
Hey, ¿cómo estás? The sister to him. So, estoy aquí, muestra a la gente como antes. Vivo aquí un año. So I'm telling them what I'm doing, like I'm trying to tell you guys. I used to live here for 1 year, and now I'm back. Ahora regreso para mostrar a mi gente dónde mi vida inicia.
¿Sí?
Ajá.
¿Y sigue con el canal?
Sí, de YouTube.
¿De YouTube?
Ajá.
¿Qué tal?
Muy bien, es muy grande. ¿Tú no seguidores me?
Canal de YouTube.
So they used to be my followers, but they don't follow me anymore. ¿Por qué tú no seguidores me?
Sí.
Where they?
¿Qué onda, Max?
Muéstrame. So they don't follow me anymore. Okay.
¿Se va a ir otra vez?
Saludo a mis amigos. Saludos.
Que salude a los amigos.
De
Saludos
internet.
para los amigos de Margua.
Explica un poco cómo tú conocerme.
Es Marwa.
Margua es de Kenia.
Sí. Yeah, they used to be my best friend because I used to hang here some Fridays and we drink some beer.
Pero háblenos en español,
And
hermano.
right there used to be my, you see they could see what I do, right there was my window. And this is their shop, you see? Yeah. Okay, hey. Saludo mis amigos.
Saludos para las niñas de Kenia.
No, el mundo, no
Ay,
solo
todo
Kenia.
el mundo, es que yo me voy para Kenia.
Tu,
Yo voy pa' Kenia.
¿Tu nombre es?
Luis.
Luis.
La novela viene el viernes, la gloria de Lucho.
¿Cuál?
La gloria de Lucho.
Yeah, man, they used to be my neighbors and they used to sell me like everything I used to buy from this shop. So it's super good memory, yeah. ¿Dónde?
Entrando una amiga.
Es una
Le
amiga.
presento una amiga, hay una amiga. Presente.
Tú. Saluda. ¿Qué pasó?
Estefanía, que salude a los amigos de Kenia.
No, habla.
Diga hola.
Exótica muy.
¿Qué tal está la amiga?
¿Eh?
¿Está querida la amiga?
Sí,
¿Le gustó?
sí.
¿Está buscando un novio?
Esposa ahora.
Ay, esposa, ya va para casarse.
Ajá.
¿Cómo es?
Sí, casa. So he's asking me if I'm looking for a girlfriend. I just told him I'm looking for a wife, not a girlfriend. And he asked me if I like her.
Que se porte bien, que la saque pobre. Wow. Ahí dijo eso.
Oh. ¿Tu nombre es?
Estefanía.
Estefanía. Okay.
La rebelde.
¿La rebelde?
La rebelde.
Okay.
Rebelde.
Rebelde.
Sí, lo único lindo es el nombre.
Oh.
¿Se presenta otra amiga?
Ajá.
Otra amiga, parece amiga.
Ok, ¿dónde es?
Que se pare.
Hey,
man.
ven. So today I'm being introduced to everybody.
Ya puede creer que diga.
Saludo mi gente aquí.
Que salude a la gente.
She has no idea what's happening, you know. Yeah. So man, it's really emotional to be here. And man,
Ahí
like
pasó
it
otra
gives me
amiga,
a
ya
lot
pasó
of
otra amiga.
memories.
Esta una amiga no.
¿Dónde?
La que vaya. Es que usted se fue.
Oh, yeah. This guy used to be like that guy who used to push me to talk to girls, and because right here there's a university with a lot of beautiful girls, they pass here every time. And he used to tell me, hey, talk to that girl, talk to that girl. So I used to talk to them a lot. But man, it feels so good. It feels like going back home because it has been nearly 2 years now. 2 years. And this house is very special to you. Very, very, very special. Yeah. Very, very special. I wish I talked to the owner so that I could get a chance to go in and show you how it looks like. But for now, I'm gonna say bye, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye bye.
Mira el vecino.
He doesn't remember me at all.
Yo no me voy a acordar si me quedo viendo como 3.000 pesos de una licuadora.
Que le debe plata.
Okay. Hey, habla chao. Chao ahora. Terminando mi video. Ciao.
Chao.
Okay guys, bye. I'll see you in my next video. I hope I'll get a chance. To go inside there, and maybe I should talk with the owner to give me the key. I'll show you where I used to sleep. And remember one day I had a girlfriend and the bed was shaking all through because of these buses which passed here. It was crazy, man. I used to make $500 a month, but my life was really hard. I really appreciate it. Okay, hey, ciao. Okay.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia!